Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog is all to do with the LED light. Now as you can see here, I'm looking to get these LED lights along the door and then the dashboard as well, so it looks something like that. So the Mercedes have this, so which is pretty cool, and you control the light by using the app on your phone. So okay, so this is the LED from China. So here we go. Got the instructions on how to fit it, but it is better to get someone professional to do this. So it comes with this box where you can scan the code on your phone and you can download the app. So you got wires, you got the LED strip which slots into the gaps along there, and obviously you got these LED lights which I believe which probably just goes through here, but so that's the two connections there. So this is all you get in the box. Hopefully it's gonna be long enough so I can get it on my passenger side along here and then on my side here. Okay, so at the moment it just looks dull, not so interesting. So this side as well. So hopefully it'll be all fitted within 2 to 3 hours. So you'll need to take the door off in order to get this connected more neatly. I've also got a bubble wrap back here, so when we do take off the door, I just don't want to put that on the floor and damage my door, any scratches. So I've got some bubble wraps here. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the technical guy to come through and then get this fitted. So see you in a bit. There we go. Just sussing out how to get the strips in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so this is the Nissan GTR door sill, which goes on the door sill on top of the existing one, so you don't have to peel the existing one off. This just goes over it. As you can see, it is quite a nice finish to it. So you get one on each side. Now you've got the connector here which connects to that wire, and this wire will connect to the door light, so every time you open the door this will turn on. Now this one I've got it in blue, so you can get it in red or blue color. I bought this for £128. There are ones out there which may be a bit more expensive or cheaper ones. So you got the adhesive tape here, which you just peel off and then just stick it on the existing door sill. So no need to take off the existing door sill. You can get door sills which you don't have to connect to the door light, so you can just stick it on. You put some batteries in there, but that's too much hassle, so I'd rather have it connected to the door light, so I don't have to worry about putting in new batteries every time it runs out. So this is the door sill, so we'll have a look at it when it's connected, and also we'll have a look at it in the dark, so it'll look a lot better. So like I've said, the sill will just go on top of here. It's going to need a bit of a clean. So when I open the door, it will just light up here. Obviously it's going to be connected to that light there, so every time it opens it will light up. So this is what it looks like before.
One hit, one back.
Yes, that's right people, I did the easy bit, just peeling the sticker off and sticking it on. So shocks away, Toby did all the connections, so it was a matter of just peeling and sticking on. So thank you so much. So it is a company called Shocks Away, based in Farnborough, and he goes around the local area, Aldershot, Frimley. If you need any speakers or any electrical appliance, reverse cameras fitted, then he's your guy. There we go, door card is off. Getting some new speakers put on because these has got holes. So guys, if your speakers start to fart, just get it checked out because there may be rips in the speaker, and just get an upgrade, I would say. That's the best thing to do, so you can get the best sound out of your car. Right, so these are the old speakers. It's got a rip here, and then the driver side, my side, is completely gone, as you can see. So I've got it replaced with New set of speakers. So I've got these ones, Audison speakers fitted. Okay, and the lights are also fitted. As you can see, not that well, but I'll have a footage when it gets dark later. And also I've installed the door card membrane, which it was missing. So it's all fitted, all done, ready to go. Okay, right, so this is the LED lights on the door panel, and then along here, along this trim on the dashboard passenger side, and then along that side. So I have different colors on the app, so I've gone for the color changing one, so it changes all different colors. There we go. And then along here, there you go, it's changing colors. Also got on the footwell as well, and with the LED and the Rolls-Royce starlights, it just looks amazing, which you don't see every day on a GTR. So a bit of light show.